Are you tired of feeling like life is happening to you instead of for you? The truth is, we are the master of our own domain. We have dominion over our thoughts, our beliefs, even our habits. And for years, we have thought, including me, that I do life based on what's happening outside of me. A few years back, I got training in deep system for understanding the power of thought. Every human being has between 12,000 and 60,000 thoughts a day. And get a load of this, 85% of those thoughts are negative and repetitive, and they're not helpful. They hold us back. In other words, we hold ourselves back. Join us for Ignite Power, a women's leadership program at the end of April for a weekend in Sonoma, California, where you learn to have power over your own thoughts and create a life you love.